Hey, what is going on there YouTube? This is the Gaming Guy and today I'm going to be bringing you an unboxing for my week 4 item and then another item that I picked up. My week 4 item actually arrived on Tuesday, I believe it was, and yeah, I've pretty much just held on to it for this video to record for the weekend. So before we get into the unboxing, as always, let me know down below if your item has arrived. If it has, are you going to be stocking, rocking or reselling it? If your item hasn't arrived from week 4 yet, do you have a shipping confirmation email? If you do, when is it set to arrive? If you don't have your email yet, what did you order anyway? But yeah, apart from that, we're just going to get into this unboxing. It's not going to be a long unboxing because there are literally 2 items. So let's just get into it. I can't actually throw that one down, so I'll just place it, but throw that.
At the moment, it's 15 degrees. Today, you can expect a high of 15 degrees.
It's too hot for England. Okay, so obviously we have the first item being the long sleeve, the Gilbert and George piece, and then we have the other item which I ordered from JPS Resale. I don't know if that's plugging them or not, but I'm not sponsored or anything. Somebody posted in the Discord, if you'd like to join, the link's in the description, the website, because they're just selling a load of things off. I was going to get a Smile Tee and this item, however, I put, look, a Smile Tee for like 20 or 22 pounds or something. And when I added it to get it, it was gone. So I probably should have mentioned it, so yeah. But anyway, we are just going to open, I think we'll open that last. We'll open my week 4 item first, obviously. I still need to get something in order to help me like rip the bags open or like an accessory to do that. So, anyway. There we go. So, the piece for this week. And we have a box logo sticker, nothing interesting, but we have the tee itself, which is folded very nicely, but I am not bothered because for once, I should have probably ripped this a lot better, but for once, an item is coming out of its bag. I know, don't be shocked. An item is coming out and we are going to open it. Cool, Gilbert and George on the back, which I will have to move up close. And then obviously you have the Death After Life on the front. Also in the corner of the piece of art itself, I am sitting on it, that is great. In the corner, it says Death After Life, Gilbert and George again, signed. So yeah, there is the piece. And now you're gonna have like a transition of me basically, like, throwing it like that and then I've got it on sort of thing, if it works. So yeah, here you go. There. Okay, cool. That's probably a terrible transition, but there we go. There is the piece itself. So yeah, I would say that it'll probably need a wash to make it a bit more comfortable because the Killer Collab actually felt a lot more comfortable than this is at the moment, but I'm not bothered. I like the piece itself, or like I said, I wasn't a massive fan of the whole piece, like of art itself, but when it's on a piece of something, either like the fan or a tee or something, then I liked it a lot more. So yeah, this is another long sleeve to wear so that I don't keep wearing the Killer one. But anyway, the next item, I believe these only released in Germany, and every time I went on eBay or something to try and get one, it would be like £4 or £5, but then 15 to 20 or 15 to 30 pounds shipping. I believe they're a lot cheaper now, but this was literally £10 or £11 overall. So I thought, why not pick it up for once and obviously just get it in the end. This is a terrible idea to wear black long sleeve when it is like a bit warm for once. So I don't know whether I've opened this right or not. No, I have not in any way. Okay, brilliant. Okay, so. What? Okay, we're nearly there. I'm guessing this is literally just like a shipping confirmation. And okay. So yeah, shipping confirmation. A Johnson & Johnson Band-Aid, so I guess I'll take that. One of their stickers, which is a Yeezy, and then the business card, which I'm not going to plug. I've already plugged the name, that's enough. But yeah, I'll take a Band-Aid, I guess. That's into the accessory collection. So the actual item itself is a Supreme True Fruits Ed Hardy piece. I don't know whether it was cancelled or whether there was no general release or anything, but I can show a video, or I'll pop up a video here or here without the music, because their music would be copyrighted, of the pretty much, or of them running over all of the bottles that they had. Obviously there might not be a point, or people might not see a point pretty much to me buying a little empty bottle that was meant to have like a smoothie in it, but to be honest, I just wanted the piece for hopefully the graphic that should be included on this one, if I have got the right colour, because I believe it said it was the white colour. So hopefully this is all correct and all good once I can pull it out. And it is a different colour to what I thought I was going to get. Oh well. The colour that I wanted was the white colour in this, because on the back it basically has like that Mickey Mouse sort of rip-off with the middle finger sticking up. But oh well. Yeah, it might be a bit pointless to buy this. You might, I can't even put the lid back on now. It might be a bit pointless probably to buy this, but I might get the other one as well, just so I can have the white colorway, because I really want that one with the Mickey sticking his middle finger up. But yeah, basically, as you can see, without it focusing on me. So as you can see, obviously it says Supreme Smoothie inside, limited number 12. Then on the back, again, it says Make Ed Hardy Great Again, Supreme Smoothie, collab. So yeah, the one that I wanted was a Mickey one, or a Mickey like finger, but oh well. I've got this one instead. So that is going to bring this video to an end in the end. I don't know how long this video is going to be, but it should be under like 8 or 9 minutes or something along the lines of that. And yeah, we unboxed the tea. We've got a Band-Aid from this, which is cool, I guess, in the end. Normal box logo sticker. And that's, well, I'll move it so you can see them. And yeah, that is everything. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, like, be much appreciated. I'm annoyed that I didn't get the white colorway in this, but oh well. It's a bottle. It's like, it was probably pointless to get in the end, but oh well. I still will probably end up at some point in time trying to get the white one, because I really want the white one. It's just because the Mickey like middle finger just looked really cool on it. So yeah, thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed, like, be much appreciated. Other than that, all links will be down below. And yeah, I will see you on Monday if they put any news out, or I'll release another video then. So yeah, I'll see you all next time. Peace. Also, thank you for 8.2k. It's great, like literally just amazing. I really do appreciate it. So yeah, peace.